Have you ever walked into a space and felt an instant sense of calm and comfort, like the room was giving you a warm hug? That's the magic of a cozy aesthetic interior. And today, we're going to show you exactly how to create that feeling in your own home. Creating a cozy aesthetic isn't just about throwing in a few pillows or lighting a candle. It's about crafting an environment that feels safe, welcoming, and deeply personal. In this video, we'll dive into how you can transform your space into a cozy dream, no matter your style or budget. Achieving that perfect cozy vibe isn't always easy. Maybe your space feels too sterile or cluttered. Maybe the decor you have is all over the place. Mismatched pieces, harsh lighting, or colors that don't work well together. One of the most common mistakes? Trying to mimic someone else's style without understanding how to adapt it to your own needs. Another challenge is overthinking. You might feel paralyzed by all the options. Do I go Scandinavian cozy, cottagecore, Japandi? And then there's the budget. It can feel like you need a total renovation to get that Instagram-worthy coziness. But here's the truth. You don't. It's more about intentionality than expense. Warm neutrals are your best friends. Think soft beiges, warm whites, muted browns, or even earthy greens and terracottas. These shades create a soothing foundation that instantly makes a room feel calm and cohesive. This is where the real cozy magic happens. Mix and layer textures, knit throws, velvet cushions, linen curtains, and soft wool rugs. Even hard surfaces like wood or rattan add a tactile contrast that's still inviting. Ditch the overhead lights when possible and use multiple light sources instead. Lamps with warm bulbs, fairy lights, and candles set the mood and create soft shadows that add depth to your space. Low, plush seating like a deep sofa or a comfy armchair draws people in. Opt for rounded edges and organic shapes over sharp, modern lines. Don't be afraid to mix old and new. A vintage coffee table with a modern couch adds character and charm. You can bring your space to life by layering rugs, curated bookshelves, plants, cozy throws draped over chairs, framed art, and meaningful personal items. The key? Less clutter, more curation. You don't need to fill every wall or surface. Let your space breathe, but make sure every piece you do have adds to the vibe and personality. Don't just put a rug down, layer a smaller patterned rug over a neutral base. Don't stop at one pillow. Go for a variety of shapes and fabrics. And most importantly, design for how you live. Cozy isn't about perfection. It's about creating a space where you feel at ease. Remember, creating a cozy aesthetic is totally doable. Focus on warm colors, varied textures, soft lighting, and pieces that reflect you. Thoughtful design isn't about having more, it's about making what you have work. We'd love to hear your favorite cozy decor ideas in the comments below. What's your go-to trick for making your space feel warm and inviting? And if you found this helpful, check out our other videos for more design tips and transformations to inspire your dream space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a cozy moment. Twinkle, twinkle.